The Miller 289755 Digital Elite helmet offers an exceptional welding experience with its advanced auto-darkening technology, ensuring optimal safety and efficiency on the job. Featuring ClearLight 2.0 lens technology, this helmet provides welders with a bright and clear view, allowing for precise work before, during, and after welding. With a generous 9.2 square-inch viewing screen, the helmet offers ample visibility, enhancing precision and control for welders of all levels. The helmet's user-friendly digital controls enable easy adjustments to modes, shade, delay, and sensitivity, catering to the specific needs of any welding task. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic Gen 3.5 headgear features a flexible cushion that reduces strain and enhances stability, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. This helmet is engineered to adapt to varying welding environments thanks to its AutoSense feature, making it an ideal choice for professionals seeking both comfort and functionality.